Hi guys, I'm back. I might actually have to split this into 2 or 3 videos, I think. So this is the final part of making these journaling cards for this particular notebook from dictionary pages. So last you saw me just basically trim them down and use the corner cutter to tidy them up, and all I'm going to do now is I've sorted them out so that I can ink the edges. I do have one of those, or a few of those really posh little ink edger little pads on a stick, but I can't find it, to be honest. So I think you've seen me do this before, where I just basically get the ink pad and go across the edges really gently. It's not the most, well, it's not done with finesse, but it works for me. I only want to ink the edges generally. So I'm doing, I've separated them into different piles. So actually this, I wanted to ink with red, didn't I? Yeah, I started with the wrong pile. Well, who knew, eh? So that's that one. I want to ink these with red and these with black. That was the general idea. There's a corner that I didn't do. So that's it. Just going around them really quite liberally with the ink. It just gives it gives them such a lovely finish. It really does. That's looking a bit loose. I didn't use decoupage, I just glued these on, so I might just have to pop a little bit more glue on that particular one in the centre there. But you get the idea. So I've got a few dictionaries that I picked up for a song. I think one of the places that I go to, they do a lot of their books at 20p a piece, and they're really good for using, taking phrases out for the fronts of your journal to emphasise the theme, and for this. I really have been I've been wanting to do a whole sort of tutorial on different journaling cards for a while and haven't really had the time, and I just thought, well, as I'm doing this anyway, it just took a little while longer just to set it all up in a sort of kind of orderly manner, you wouldn't believe it, to do this share, but it seemed a good opportunity to do that. So you get the gist, but I will one day find my little spongy thing, and it does do a nicer finish, to be honest. If you want a little bit more finesse, you want things done a little bit more delicately, it does. But for now, guys, because I've taken a bit longer than I thought, I need to go and put the meatballs on for the family. So these I'm going to edge in red. I think that's going to really make it, give them a lift. If you can see that, guys. Sorry it seems to take so long. I'll probably divide the video into 2 or 3, I think. So just so it's easy for viewing, to sort of split them up. I really like the way that looks. I didn't know if it looked too much to pop a little word on it, but I think I might. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Plain or with a little sentiment on it. Anyway, I digress. I'll probably, when you see me do the flip through, I'll probably pop sentiments on them. Or I probably could do on 2 and just leave one plain and just see. I need to do some of these for myself. I always do the journaling cards and give them away. And I'm out and about calling on friends or neighbours in the community, as I do. I will leave them a little note. I've got to scrabble about or ask my friend for whoever I'm with for a bit of paper. We'll never do, will it, really? So anyway, once I get... I wonder if I should do that again. Once I get the Etsy store stocked and up and running, I think I'll have a couple of afternoons just doing a couple of things for me. So that's it, guys. That's done. That gives you an idea of how, with a few of your favourite stamps, bit of washi, bit of glue, these Tim Holtz things are a bit of an indulgence, to be fair. You can always print them out yourself, but I haven't tried being able to print out white onto black. It's probably really easy. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed it, found it useful, and you will see in the flip through, which I'll probably be doing in the next, probably tomorrow, before I get the these out into the post. You will probably see them in situ. Okay, so that's it. I hope you've enjoyed that, found it useful. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you like what you see, or leave a comment below for something you want to say about this, be fab. I'm on Instagram every day, mainly ish, and on Facebook too, and under Just Jenny Journaling. And that's it. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye. Bye.